Hi dear Pisces, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot and this is a general reading for all the Pisces Sun, Moon, Venus rising. And keep this in mind, this is general reading. This might or might not resonate with you at the first place, and the second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. And this is a reading from today till the end of August, honey. Okay, let's start, Pisces. Okay, so your partner's current energy right now is Pisces. Your partner's current energy right now is, let's see. Let's see, honey. Oops. And I'm getting this card up right. This is the Page of Cups. So I feel like right now your partner is developing some kind of new feelings for someone or something or somebody. Okay, so this is the Page of Cups energy as your partner's current energy. I feel like might be they are going through a very beautiful phase of their life. They got some kind of good news, or if you guys are married, might be there is a kid on the way, there is a conceiving or fertility is on the way, a good news regarding a kid is there. Okay, but for most of you, I feel like right now your partner is starting something or doing something and they are feeling really good about this is beautiful energy of you are feeling good about something or someone. Let's clarify, or this is kind of good news that they're receiving and they're just enjoying this. Okay, let's clarify the Page of Cups in their current energy. Okay, they might also be an artist or related to some kind of creative field, this person. Let's clarify. Oh, Knight of Swords. Knight of Swords and the Nine of Cups and the Five of Wands. So what I'm getting here is that this person is running from something that is not making them feeling happy. They are trying to feel happy. This is a very complicated energy. They are trying to rush towards something that's going to make them happy, but they are conflicted. So Pisces, I feel like your person, they are just trying to, focus on something. They are just trying to run behind something that they feel is going to make them really happy. But whenever they are there, whenever they are trying to reach at that point where they feel like, yeah, this is the thing that I want in my life. This is the thing that's going to make me really fucking happy. They feel conflicted. There's fight, there is battle, there is conflict. They're not getting what they want, and that is why they're trying their best. That is why they're trying their best to develop new feelings, to approach in a new way, or to develop some kind of way to reach their happiness, to reach their point wherever they want to go. This is a very intense kind of energy that they are feeling right now. They're trying their best to reach towards something that feels like that make them feel happy, but they are not able to do that because they feel like whenever they are trying to reach that point, they are going to either fail or they are just going to fight with somebody or someone regarding this particular thing. So I feel like they are rushing towards a connection. Might be they are rushing towards you, rushing in a hurried energy to come towards you, but whenever they're coming towards you, whenever they feel like you guys are going to be in a happy relationship, there is fights, there are lots of conflicts, there's everything that is going negative in their energy. But they're trying their best. They are trying their best. They are starting from the scratch. This is what they are experiencing right now. Not giving up on you, not giving up on you anytime soon. So Pisces, let's see what's your current energy. Pisces, your current energy right now is Three of Cups. So might be you're celebrating some kind of reconciliation with this particular person, or you are celebrating some kind of birthday party or something, some kind of engagement, or there's something that you're celebrating right now. It could also mean a third party situation here. I have to check this out. But for most of you, I feel like you're celebrating some kind of birthday party, engagement, or something that where celebration is involved. You are celebrating something with your community, your family members, and that's making you really happy. You are looking good, feeling good, you are energized and high in a high spirit. Nice. Let's clarify the Three of Cups in your current energy. For some of you, it is a reconciliation energy as well. Might be you guys are reconciliating with each other. Oh, the Devil card is here. The Devil, Judgment, Five of Pentacles. So I feel like you are celebrating something because you are feeling like the restriction is over, the toxicity is over. Now you are forgiving and forgetting each and everything with whomsoever you were connected with on that level. Might be, I feel like you were connected with somebody else as well, and you are feeling like you are tied down to this particular connection or this particular individual, and you are not able to come out of that toxic relationship. Finally you are coming out of that phase where you are forgiving everybody, you are forgiving yourself as well. You are giving a rebirth to your life. This is a life 2.0 for you, and that's why you're just celebrating this new life. Okay, because you are coming out of a toxic phase of life. And you were, I feel like you were constantly feeling like somebody betrayed you, somebody left you hanging on the wall, somebody didn't do anything good with you. And even if that is happening, you are feeling like you're forgiving and forgetting them, and you are just moving on, and you are just celebrating. This is a very very difficult thing to do when this type of reading is on the table, and I have to do it because I feel like this is difficult. Because there are two scenarios that I'm getting: either you were connected to somebody else, that was a very toxic situation, and there was a third party situation, you were obliged, you were connected, you were tied down to that person, but finally you are breaking the jail, breaking the chains, and you are coming to this phase where you are forgiving everybody, forgetting everything, and just starting your life all over again. And because you were constantly feeling like betrayed, and you were constantly feeling like in a situation where you were not celebrated and cherished, and where you were not valued. Okay, so now you're coming out of that situation and you're celebrating. This is Three of Cups energy. Okay, and for some of you, the second story that I'm getting here is, okay, that you are reconciliating with somebody, you are leaving behind the toxic past, you are leaving behind everything that they did with you or you did with them, and you are just celebrating, you are having a reconciliation energy. Okay, let's start again. I know the past was toxic, I know the past was not that much good, but let's forgive and forget, and let's move on. Let's not be in this phase where you guys are feeling like, yeah, you betrayed them or they betrayed you or something was not happening and something was not working out. So this is the situation here. God, this is intense. I love myself. Yeah, this is what is happening in your current energy, Pisces. Let's see what this person feels for you, their feelings for you. So I feel like every time you guys are trying to reconnect, there's fight, there's conflict, or there's something like that. But now this time you are going to be mature and you are going to be like, yeah, let's stop this fight. Let's be mature. Let's forgive and forget. Let's move on. Let's reconciliate. Okay, let's celebrate. Yeah, cool. So let's see what this person feels for you. Ace of Pentacles. This person is feeling like they should have a brand new beginning with you, but I feel like this is mostly as a on a friendship level. This is because Ace of Pentacles. For me, Ace of Pentacles is just a friendship level, just the start of the connection on a plain and simple level of let's say hi and hello and let's start this connection all over again. They feel like, yeah, they should have a brand new beginning with you. Might be you guys are working with each other or working on a project together or business trip or something like that. Business work, I'm sorry, business thing, no, not trip. Let's clarify the Ace of Pentacles as their feelings for you. Yeah, they feel like they should have a brand new beginning with you because they have lots of emotions for you. This person loves you a lot. This is the King of Cups energy. This is the highest card in the emotional deck. This person loves you and this person wants to reconnect with you. They feel like there should be reconnection, there should be second chance because they have lots of love for you, still lots of love for you, and they want to marry you. They want to get committed to you. This is a Hierophant energy. Could be dealing with the Taurus here, Pisces. They want to marry you. My God, this is beautiful, but they're very stressed about this. They're constantly stressed about this. They are constantly thinking about having a brand new beginning with you. They're feeling like there should be a beginning with you because they feel lots of love for you, because they want to marry you. They want to have a brand new, sorry, they want to have a committed relationship with you and or marriage with you, but they are constantly stressed about it. They are constantly in their head about these feelings. They're constantly thinking about this thing. Yeah, they feel like, yeah, I love this person, I love my Pisces, I want to marry this person, but how to deal with this, how to approach them, how to talk to them, how to tell them what I'm feeling right now. They're not able to tell you exactly what they're feeling. Nice, beautiful. Let's see, Pisces, what this person wants from you. Let's see what this person wants from you. Page of Wands. They want you to open up to them. They want you to talk to them. They want to have a conversation with them. They want you to have a conversation with them. They want you to initiate this conversation, chat with them, and give them a pass that yes, we are talking again. We can have this reconciliation again. We can start this connection all over again. They want you to restart this connection, to text them or to message them or to start the conversation with them. This is what they want from you. Let's clarify the Page of Wands in in what they want from you. Let's see. This person is a nature lover and they want to explore things with you. They want to, just open up and explore new things with them, explore the beauty of the relationship with them. Again, let's clarify. Two of Pentacles, the Knight of Wands, the Moon. Could be dealing with another Pisces here. So Pisces, what this person wants from you is, this person wants you to stop juggling. This person wants you to stop juggling. Might be they are feeling like you're juggling between them or somebody else for some of you. And for some of you, this person is feeling like you are juggling between yes or no constantly. Whether you want them, you don't want them, you want them, you don't want them. Might be you're having another options in your life and that's why they're fearful. That's why this person is fearful. See? So they want you to stop juggling and go towards them and have a passionate brand new beginning with them, and come out of this fearful state of mind. Come out of this fearful state of mind where you are constantly in fear, constantly in fear of like, this is not going to work out, this is not how it is, this is not how it is looking. There's a blockage in your communication, there's a blockage in your intuition. So that's why this person wants you to communicate with them and open up with them and stop juggling. Stop juggling and come out of this fearful situation where you're creating your own web in your mind that this is not going to work out and all kind of negativity and stuff. So they just want you to come out of this situation. Okay, so let's see Pisces, what is coming towards you till 31st of August, or what is happening with you guys till the end of August. Let's see Pisces quickly. Okay, King of Swords. I feel like some kind of communication is coming in towards you, Pisces. Finally, someone is opening up to you. Maybe you are going towards them. Maybe they are coming towards you. There's some kind of communication coming in towards you, and this is kind of this is not going to be an emotional conversation or something. But yeah, this is going to be a situation where you both are on the same page. You both will be clear, you will be honest and open. So basically it will be open and honest conversation, but I don't feel like there will be emotional conversation. This will be an emotional one, because you guys are going to work through your mind rather than your hearts. So it is like concealing your emotional side and just be mentally open, be mentally open and be mature, and yeah, okay, I want this, I want that, I want this, I want this to be this, like this, and blah blah blah. I don't see like communication on an emotional level here, but yeah, sharp and open and honest conversation regarding this particular connection with you. This is what is coming towards you. Let's clarify. Let's clarify. Page of Wands. See, this person wants Page of Wands energy from you. Now this is coming in the outcome as well, that they will connect with you. Definitely there is communication coming in for you guys. Page of Pentacles. Okay, this is Page of Wands, this is Page of Pentacles. Restarting this connection on level. The Emperor, you could be dealing with an Aries here. So yeah, I feel like there is communication coming in from you and a message coming via Facebook or something like that. Well, obviously social media kind of thing, online. Yeah, and then you guys are going to decide. You guys are going to have a conversation and you guys are going to decide now what next. And what you're going to decide will be like mentally. There will be mental decision. There will be I don't see any kind of emotional decision happening. This is going to be a mature decision. This is going to be a decision where you both are working through your minds, not with your hearts, and you guys are going to stick to that. Okay, so there will be communication from both the sides, from your side as well, from their side as well. This communication is going to open up the gates of communication between you guys, obviously, and then the results will be like, yeah, let's do this, let's start this connection all over again at this terms and condition. This should be the terms and conditions, this should be like that, this should be like that, and there is a communication, there is a restart of this connection, but not on emotional level, it will be on mental level. Okay, so you guys be on the will be on the same page mentally, but emotionally I feel like this relationship is going to take some more time to evolve emotionally. Okay, so this is what is happening. But let me tell you one thing, if you remember, this person feels for you, this person feels lots of love for you, they want to marry you. Let me remind you that. Yeah, yeah, but right now I'm not feeling like this is happening. Cool. So Pisces, thank you so much for connecting with me. God bless you. See you soon in the next videos of September. God bless you. Lots of love, lots of hugs, and lots of blessings. And namaste. Bye bye.